Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to rank up fast in Arma Reforger. So let's start. Well guys, first we have to go and download the game that is Arma Reforger. Then when I him in the normal page here, and then you can select the person here as you can see. This game is available in many countries, however, not all the countries have. You can check here on Steam if there is available the game in your country. In case that this game is not in your country, well, you have to download a VPN. In this case, I recommend you NordVPN, as I told you in the beginning of the video. This NordVPN you can download without any problem, and you can get a special discount, as I told you, and it's very easy to use. So, for example, let's go to login, and here on login, just write your email address in your register and then just click on login. And when you log in here, you will find the principal page here. So let's go to the left side and you will find here that says NordVPN. So here on NordVPN, just scroll down and you will find here the manual setup. Just click here on setup NordVPN manually, and then when you're here you can find here that it's the country. So just click here on the country and you will find a vast of countries that are available on NordVPN. Just find the one that is available for Arma Reforger. For example, in this case we want to connect on the USA VPN because it's the most country that every game use. So for example, let's go to the part that says United States VPNs here. As you can see, we'll find many VPNs here for VPNs USA. So now just click here on get setup configuration and you can start using it. Also there are view tutorial if you prefer, and then when you do it, now try to play the game that is Arma Reforger. Now, if you want to get the rank up, you have to focus on capturing objectives while being a volunteer. So you have to setting the objective as an active mission for bonus XP. Transporting troops, lowering supplies, and building structures. That is how you can start doing, guys. If you want to enjoy this game, don't forget to check if it's available in your country. If not, don't forget to use our NordVPN. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us thumb up to this video.